Hello lovelies, and welcome back for a brand new Clean With Me video. I hope you are all having a lovely start to the week. I am just tackling a few things on my to-do list today, and I thought I would take you along with me. So if you have a few little things that you need today and you want some motivation, then write them down on a list. Take me along with you. I do have a playlist I can pop up on the screen too, so if you want more motivation today after today's video is finished. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos from me. But I'm going to stop chatting and let's get cleaning.
Yeah, I am on my way. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us. Close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down new. I'm stripping down new.
I am starting off in my bedroom and I'm just going to make the bed. If I am not filming a cleaning video, then as soon as I wake up, I'll make the bed. I find that if the bed is made, I am a lot more productive than if I leave it when I come home from the school run. So I'm just going to straighten everything up. I was planning on washing William's sheets today and my sheets, but I just make the bed because it's raining and I love line fresh sheets, not popped in the dryer unless it's been raining for days. But I also mentioned in a couple of videos back that I am doing a little room makeover and I'm just waiting on a few things to arrive before I start, but I cannot wait to share that with you. A lot of things are staying similar, but there is just going to be a few more touches to this room and I cannot wait to share it with you. So if you haven't already subscribed, then definitely subscribe, click that bell notifications so you don't miss out on that video coming up.
Strip it down new. I'm stripping down new. I'm stripping down new. This is not what we should be. Thought you get the best of me. This is how we should be. Thought you get the best of me. This is how we should be. Thought you get the best of me.
Waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark.
Today to clean the bathroom, I'm just using the Method antibacterial, I think I say that wrong every time I say that, the antibacterial spray. And for the windows and the glass, I am using Windex. I shared this with you the other day in a video, but I am loving the Windex. I don't know why I stopped using it, but I definitely will be adding this to my cleaning all the time. Everything comes up so nice and shiny. So good old Windex there. And every time I use it, I always think of my big fat Greek wedding with the dad with the Windex.
Got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good.
Whilst I'm editing this video, I've realized that I have missed cleaning the magnifying mirror that I have on the wall. My dad actually got that for me, and he got it on eBay, and one side's a magnifying mirror and the other side's just normal, and it has a ring light around it, so it's great for any unwanted hairs or anything you want to check on your face. So I love that, and it's just got a little cord that you can plug in to the power. And I mentioned this the other day in my cleaning video. Anyone would think that this bathroom is used by our children. It is not. It is used by Chris and I think he had a party with the toothpaste this morning when he was brushing his teeth, because there was toothpaste all over the bench, and I'm pretty sure it wasn't me, but all the top of the toothpaste was all gross and sticky, so I've given that a good wash. And I'm also just making sure that the tube is rolled up and squeezed like that. I can't stand when a tube is squeezed from the center of the tube.
The place I know, I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. And there it is, my love, 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 love. Mind and body just can't agree.
So I was going to vacuum the bedroom floor and also the bathroom floor, but the cat was sound asleep in my room while she's awake there, but she was comfy and I didn't want to disturb her, so I will be adding that to my to-do list tomorrow. Sometimes I don't get things done that I want to get done, and that doesn't matter because there's always tomorrow to get that job done. So now I am just tackling this fluff under my church pew. This is the life with ragdoll cats. It's like tumbleweeds of cat fur everywhere, but I will admit I have not vacuumed under here for probably about 3 weeks. So that's pretty gross, and that's probably why I'm constantly rubbing my face in this video, because I am covered in cat fur. So if you're thinking of getting ragdoll cats, they are a beautiful nature, but they certainly lose a lot of hair.
I think we're done, then you add more
And there is my beautiful stair basket waiting for our stairs to be installed for our new renovation downstairs. I cannot wait. I bought this a long time ago, and these towels here are our beach towels for the kids to use when they come up from the pool, and I just popped them here for the summer, so when the kids go down, if they do forget to take their towel, they can just open up the door and grab one. It doesn't look too pretty, but it's practical, and sometimes you just got to be practical then pretty. And I'm just going to give this little blanket a little spray with Williams Room Spray as well, so it's nice and fresh.
It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you...
And I'm just sharing with you the reality. I already vacuumed that bench the other day in a video, and that's how fluffy ragdoll cats are. So that definitely is my top priority tomorrow, of vacuuming my bedroom and that bench seat because of the cats.
That I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you...
So now I'm heading into William's room. Will normally makes his bed for me, but this day I asked him to not make it so I could wash his sheets, and then I decided not to because it was raining. Now William's windows eventually will be painted white, and I am going to be getting some blinds in here as well. These curtains, I took off the white blinds that we used to have, and I wasn't a fan of them, and I hung these blinds up. It is quite moody and cozy in here in the day, but they are a little long, so I think I need to change them. But I will be getting some bamboo blinds for William's room.
Shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. Oh, 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 hey, oh.
So this is how we end up. Shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle. My dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you all the motivation that you need today. And if you do need that little bit more motivation, just click on the playlist below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.